If you want to delete photos from OneDrive, don't worry. Whether you need to free up storage space, remove unwanted pictures, organize your cloud files, or clean up old backups, OneDrive makes the process very simple. You can delete individual photos, multiple images at once, or even entire folders containing pictures. The good news is that removing photos from OneDrive only takes a few clicks. In this video, I'll show you the easiest way to delete photos in OneDrive in 2026, step by step, even if you have zero technical knowledge. First, open your preferred web browser and go to the OneDrive website. Sign in using the Microsoft account that contains the photos you want to remove. Once you log in, you will be taken to your OneDrive dashboard where all your files and folders are stored. Now, locate the Photos section in the navigation menu. Click on it to view all the images stored in your OneDrive account. You can scroll through your photo library or use the search feature to find specific pictures more quickly. To delete a single photo, simply click on the image to select it. Once selected, look for the Delete button near the top of the screen. Click Delete and confirm the action if prompted. The selected photo will immediately be moved to the OneDrive recycle bin. If you want to delete multiple photos at the same time, hold down the Control key on Windows or the Command key on Mac while selecting additional images. You can also use the selection circles that appear on photo thumbnails. After selecting all the photos you want to remove, click the Delete button at the top of the page. For larger cleanups, you can select entire folders containing photos. Navigate to the folder where your pictures are stored, select the folder, and click Delete. This removes all photos contained within that folder and moves them to the recycle bin. It is important to remember that deleting photos from OneDrive usually removes them from your cloud storage and may also affect synchronized devices connected to the same account. Always double-check before deleting important pictures. Another useful thing to know is that deleted photos are not permanently erased immediately. OneDrive places deleted files into the recycle bin where they remain for a limited period of time. If you accidentally delete a photo, you can open the recycle bin, select the file, and restore it. If your goal is to free up storage space, consider reviewing large photo collections, duplicate images, screenshots, or old backups that are no longer needed. Removing unnecessary files can quickly recover a significant amount of cloud storage. You should also keep your OneDrive app and browser updated to ensure the best performance and compatibility when managing files. So that's the easiest way to delete photos in OneDrive in 2026. The main steps are opening OneDrive, selecting the photos you want to remove, clicking Delete, and using the recycle bin if you need to recover accidentally deleted images. Most users can manage and delete photos within just a few minutes using these simple methods. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more OneDrive tutorials, cloud storage tips, and beginner-friendly tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.